Hello, Team YouTube. How you guys doing? Hello, YouTube. How you guys doing? Hope you all are doing good and wonderful. All right. Let's get it, man. You know, just coming live today. So today we are starting with our weekly analysis. You know, we are back again, guys. We are back. So yeah, Israel the trader speaking right here, guys. So we are about to do weekly analysis so that we can know exactly what we are expecting when the market opens, right? You know that this is festive period, so we have to do our analysis first before we take a trade and all of these things. And also we are going to follow up with fundamentals so that we can know what exactly is happening fundamentally, right? Because it is very important for us to do all of these things so that we can keep in touch of with all of these things. So it is very important, man. All right, so you guys can see, okay, tomorrow we are having some news and stuff like that. So with that out of the way, we are going to start with some of these pairs here, guys. All right, so yeah, right now, okay, Regira is saying, hi brother, Merry Xmas. Merry Xmas to you, bro. Excuse me. Merry Xmas to you guys. How is family, how's everybody, and things like that. You know what I'm saying? So, just happy to be alive, guys. Happy to be alive. Many are gone, man. So Adeleye is saying, Merry Christmas to you, Team ITT. I'm out here wishing you all a very good and wonderful and healthy Merry Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everybody. So I'm happy to be here, guys. I'm happy to be showing you how to trade in the forex market. I'm happy to come live and direct to do weekly analysis with you guys. I'm happy to be your mentor. I'm happy to change so many lives around the world. This is not limited to my home country. It is around the world. So we are changing lives, guys. So I'm very, very proud of that. And I'm happy that it happens to be that I'm the one that is coming up and doing all of these things. So thank God for the opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So basically what I have to say is just pay attention to whatever that we are saying, because we know what we are talking about, guys. And 2022, we got a lot of things happening, guys. We got lots of things coming up. 2022 is going to be the best year that I've ever lived on earth, because I have a lot of things coming. 2022, guys. I have a lot of them, guys. Lots of them coming. 2022 is going to be the most exciting and wonderful and miraculous year I've ever lived on earth, on this planet. You know what I mean? So that means I got a lot of things coming. So hopefully when God leave us alive, all of us will have to witness whatever that we have coming, guys. All right. So yeah, just a reminder, if you did not give this video a thumbs up yet, I don't know what you are waiting for, guys. Before we start this analysis, I'd like to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, because it will help out a lot and it will keep me moving to motivate me to do more right here on YouTube channel, right? So that's the only way that you can support ITT and support us, guys. Just share the video with your friends and family, give this video a thumbs up, and that's it. You are done. It does not cost you anything to do all of these things. All right, guys. So yeah, like we usually do, whenever time you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just go down to live chat section and say, hey Israel, you can just check out this particular pair for me. I'm going to trade it this week, this next week, or whatsoever. You just say it in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it and start the analysis for you. Then I'll tell you my opinion. Is it going to buy? Is it going to sell? Is it ranging? Whatever that I see, that's what I'm going to be telling you guys. So yeah, don't forget to do that in case if you have any particular pair in mind that you want me to analyze for you. Just do that right now, guys. And let's start, man. Let's start the week. Let's start the week. Let's start the week, guys. You know, some of you have eaten the Christmas meat and all of these things. So it is a time for us to get back to business. Get back to business, man. We are back to business. We are here about to start the analysis for the week, guys. Because we are back to business. We don't play, man. We aren't playing here. So it is what it is, guys. You know. So it is what it is. Let's start with GBP Let me check fundamentals first. Fundamentals, which is gonna be tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we have bank holiday. It's not recommendable to trade tomorrow, guys. Nah, it's not recommendable to trade tomorrow, even if the market opens. You can see we have lots of bank holiday and it is all day. So, red card, it is not recommendable to trade tomorrow. You hear that? It is not recommendable to trade tomorrow. Okay, somebody, Moyo is saying that we should check US30 analysis, please. All right, I'm going to go and do that before I even come back and do this fundamental checkup and all of these things. So let's go back down to our chart and let's look out for US30. US30, this is it right here. So it's been long I traded US30, guys. It is what it is, because you know I check out some of these stuffs and things like that. Some of my students actually they used to blow accounts on this US30. That's one of the reasons why I stopped trading exotic. Indices. You know, that's one of the reasons I stopped trading them. So I don't want them to keep on losing money. That's why I just stopped trading them. So yeah, this particular pair is very, very volatile, guys. Oh yeah, just a reminder, remember this is a daily time frame. We start our analysis on the daily time frame, then we go down to 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame. But I used 5 or 15 minutes time frame for my entry point, you know. Get that right. So I mostly do top-down analysis. I don't actually do all of these scalping things or whatsoever. Nah, I'm not a scalper. If you follow my trade and everything on Telegram, you should be able to know that I am not a scalper. I don't scalp the market. So it is very, very important for you to know that, okay, Israel actually scalp the market. So why me scalping it, you know? It is not recommendable for you to scalp in the forex market, guys. You know, I mean, you can choose your trading style. If you are good at scalping, you can scalp the market, right? So all I'm saying is that it is not recommendable for a new trader to start scalping in the forex market. So it is very important for you to start looking out for swing trading opportunities, so that you should be able to know how to do all of these things, right? Because you might have an excuse of saying, okay, I don't have a account size like yours, maybe $10,000, $5,000 or whatever. I don't have as much as that. You might have an excuse like that, right? But believe me or not, even if on $10 account, you can still do a swing trading. I don't know if you guys remember when last I had a $3 account. Then I just wanted to just experiment something and stuff like that. I just took a 0.01 lot size on that, and I was able to make $10 off of $3 account. So made it to $14, something like that. So the account balance of your the account size of your account is not an excuse, guys. The account size of your trading account is not an excuse of you saying, okay, I can't swing trade or whatsoever. It's not an excuse if you know what you are doing. But if you don't know what you are doing, it's an excuse. It's an excuse if you don't know what you are doing. Remember, okay, let's just do the analysis first before I come back and be talking all of these things. You know, I like to talk a lot, guys. I like to talk a lot. So yeah, this is daily time frame now, and we are about to start to put major support and resistance on daily time frame. If you know how I trade, that's how I usually do. I like to do to put my major support and resistance on daily time frame at maximum of 5. At maximum of 5 support and resistance on daily time frame, right? Then I will go down to 4-hour time frame. What am I looking on the 4-hour time frame? I will be looking at for my trend line and stuff like that. And any amendment that I'm supposed to do, then I will amend it, isn't it? So you can see this trend line now. I have to amend it to the upside, and boom, that's it. You can see this one too. I have to bring it down to the wick, which is going to go down like this. Boom, that's it, right? So you can see this one is correctly placed, so there's no need for me to extend to adjust this. You can see that, so it is okay. Then right at these zones, what am I supposed to do? I'm going to put my dot line, which is this dot horizontal line, like that. So this is 4-hour time frame. I'm going to change the color to 4-hour color. That's my 4-hour time frame color. You know, the green lines, it is daily time frame color. Then whereby this pink color, it is a 4-hour time frame color. You know, that's how I actually do my stuffs. You know, so yeah. Now what am I seeing on US 30? I'm seeing a couple of things, guys. What is going to happen on this 4-hour time frame now is that hopefully you guys can see my screen, right? I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can see it. So yeah, just a quick reminder, if you do not subscribe to the channel, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. You know, you can just do that. Just click on the subscribe button, and also if you did not like the video, you can click on the like button as well, so that you can just like it and just like it, you know. Because I do this for you guys, man. All right. And also, if you are not yet in our free Telegram channel, you can go and do that right now. You know, it is free, guys. It is free, so you know it costs you nothing to join us. Well, let me show you. This is our free Telegram channel, so I recommend you go and join us as well. You can see we have 1,771 people right there, so you can just join us there. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on this Telegram channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and that's it, man. That's it. That's how you can just show your support, right? So yeah, enough of that, guys, and let's get back to work, right? So this is US 30 4-hour time frame now, and remember we started this analysis on the daily time frame, right? So what we are supposed to do now next is that, sorry guys, I'm taking water, I'm moving and stuff like that, so I can't just be talking like this and without taking water. I have to stay hydrated. That's why you see me, my voice at times used to cut off and stuff like that, because I used to take water, man. Right, it is very important. Okay, like I was saying, I said that this is US 30, this is 4-hour time frame, and I say I usually put my support and resistance on the daily time frame. Like I start with that, right? Then coming down to 4-hour time frame to adjust my support and resistance, and also look out for trend line if there's any possibility of me spotting out the trend movement or stuff like that. Then I'll plot my trend line on the 4-hour time frame before I go down to 1-hour time frame, right? So right now, I don't actually see anywhere like trend move or stuff like that. It was this, but this one had stopped or had finished pushing down to the downside, right? But now we are seeing a change in the trend. So now the market is approaching our resistance area. So this is what we can refer as a triple top formation, right? Triple top formation. You can see this is the first touch here, second touch, and the third touch right here coming up to touch this zone. So what I'll be expecting from the market when it opens is I will expect a slight move to this point before it's going to push back up to the upside. So the reason why I say that it's going to give me a slight move to this point is because I will not expect the market to give me what I refer as inverted head and shoulders. That's what I will expect from the market to do. That's why I say it will give me a move like this. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So you can see um what I was about to say. This is it, like this. You can see that. I mean, you can see this. So like this, then it's going to give me this right shoulder. You can see that. So basically what I was saying is that you can see right here, it is what we refer as a left shoulder. From this move to this point here, then go back up, coming down. So this is going to be the head now. So you can see where the market structure is right now. So it is approaching this resistance level. You can see any moment that the market reaches this zone, it tends to react to push back down to the downside for a retracement, right? So now what I'm expecting the market to do is, from where it is right now, I will expect the market to come down to around price 35488. 35488, that's where I will expect this US30 to come down for a retracement before it might continue to go back up to the upside, right? But before you consider that, it has to come down to this point, and before you buy it right here, you have to look out for candlestick patterns or candlestick confirmations, right? If you know how I trade, I usually trade whenever I have like 4 to 5 signal confirmations before I execute my trade. I don't just execute a trade based on the fact that I want to trade or whatsoever. I have to have a signal confirmations or signal confluences before I get into any trade at all that I'm planning to trade in the forex market. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So you have to just consider all of these things before you even start trading, guys. If you are trading in the forex market and you want to be a profitable trader. And another thing is that it's not only about market structure, all of these things, confluences, and so on and so forth. It's not all about that. The number one thing that you have to improve on in forex trading, whenever time you are trading or whatsoever, is what we refer as risk management. Risk management, guys, it is number one on the table or number one on the list. Risk management is very, very important, guys. Very, very important risk management. So you have to do that, combining with all this confirmation, you'll be able to stay profitable in the forex market. And another thing is, after risk management, consistency matters a lot. Are you consistent in what you are doing? It matters a lot, guys. If you're not consistent, believe me, nah, you are not going to make it right here in the forex market. Consistency is what is needed from you, not just you trying to say, okay, you are a forex trader, you are this, you are that, blah 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 blah. Nah, consistency, guys. Consistency works with risk management. If you are consistent, meaning that if you are making profit, you have to be consistent in order to stay profitable, and that comes with risk management, right? Okay, guys, so yeah, this is my opinion on US30 right now. So I don't have any opinion or whatsoever on US30. This is just my opinion on it. Wait for the market to come down to around price 35488 before you look out for candlestick confirmation and ride it all the way to the upside, So if the market break out of this zone around price 34811 is going to be the next target before it will push back up to the upside. And if the market breaks out of this around price 34811, then definitely the next move is going to be going to 34036. Then it will continue to go back down, for sell and stuff like that. But definitely what I'm seeing is the market will just come down here, stop here, give you that signal confirmations or candlestick confirmations, then before it's going to go back up to the upside, So that's what I'm seeing on US30, guys. All right, so if you have any question, you can ask your question down in the live chat section right now before we continue with today's analysis. So Moyo, do you have any question regarding this analysis? Since you want to ask about this US30 analysis, is there any question about it? Just write down in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. Then we can go ahead, right? Thanks for the confirmation. Also have the same analysis. All right, that's good, man. That's good. Glad that you are having the same analysis as I do. So yeah, keep it up, and stay consistent. And also maybe improve on risk management or do a very good risk management, right? All right. So thank you very much, and I'm glad that you have same analysis as I do. All right, guys. So if any of you have any other peer again, you can just send it in the live chat section, and I'll just check it out for you. So with that out of the way, let's go down and continue to check our fundamentals and talk about fundamentals, right? So before that, guys, like I said earlier on, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and also follow us on Instagram, follow us on our Twitter handle, follow us on our Telegram channel, and also make sure you are subscribed to Israel the Trader YouTube channel, right? Very, very important in order for you not to miss out our live stream now. Because right now we are coming back, and we are going to start this forex trading and things like that on this YouTube channel. So don't miss out, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also most importantly, share with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up, man. Let's go, bro. All right, so we are back here again on our what is it called, it fundamental analysis. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. We are dealing with Israel the Trader today, guys. So it is what it is in the building, man. All right. I'm all alone here in the trading office, guys. Nobody's around here. So I'm all making this shot because of you guys are here. So I just enjoy it being around you guys. So it is what it is, man. All right. Katif, who is that the name? If I did not pronounce it, come and punish me for that, bro. But I'm sorry. Karifu, something like that. So Nasdaq, please, brother. All right, man. All right. That's why I'm here. I gotta check out Nasdaq for you. Nasdaq. Somebody is saying VIX 75, volatility 75, man. It's been long I traded VIX 75 as well, but it is what it is. So 2022 is gonna be like very, very big year for us. Very, very big and very, very huge, and we are going to explode, man. We are going to explode like rockets. We are not stopping anywhere soon. Or we are heading to the Mars, man, to the moon. Elon Musk says to the moon. So we are heading to the moon, man. We are heading to the moon. All right. So enough of the talk, guys. Let's go down to NAS 100, which is Nasdaq, somewhere around here. This is Nasdaq. So yeah, literally Nasdaq will have to do what US30 is doing, because they move hand in hand, guys. The correlation here is positive. They positively correlate with each other. So Nasdaq will have to do whatever. So you guys should remember when last we bought this Nasdaq somewhere around here. Brrr, pooh, to the upside, man. You see that? Come on, guys. But this trend has been long, guys. It's been long. 12th of March 2021. Since 12th of March. Almost a year of holding. Nah. I can't. No, man. I can't hold the trade for more than 3 months. I can't. But there was a trade I held for like 3.5 months, something like that. Yeah, it was Euro JPY, and I took about almost 500 pips. 500 pips on that, guys. With 0.1 lot size, I was able to get $500 each profit, and I left my trade with around one standard lot size. Yeah, one standard lot size. That's what I left. So I made around $5,000 with only one standard lot size. 500 pips in profit, man. So that's why I say swing trading, it is very, very sweet whenever time you know how to swing trade. Because swing traders like me, I can leave my trade, go to sleep, go to anywhere I want, and my trade is still open. No need of me to be thinking of, oh my goodness, I left the trade open. What if it might hit my stop loss? Oh, blah blah blah. Nah, cause I'm not a scalper. I swing trade. I'm able to leave my trade to stay as long as I wish, as long as it is in profit. I'll just be trailing my stop loss, put stop loss at break even, put stop loss in profit, 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 until when my stop loss, my trailing stop loss triggered. If not, I'll just keep on trailing my stop loss. You know what I'm saying? So it just be a swing trader, man, because we enjoy. If you're not a swing trader, nah. I'm not saying that you don't enjoy what you are doing or whatsoever, but to be honest with you guys, if you want to really, really, really make it in the forex market, swing trading is the way to go for you. Don't scalp the market, because I've been there since 2017. 2017, guys, I've been doing what you are doing. If you are still a struggling trader, I've been scalping. I've been doing all sort of things, but I find none of them to be profitable. I traded with indicators. I traded with different things. The only thing I did not do is to buy a course, because I had no money. Had I had money, I could have purchased so many courses out there, because they do help, guys. They do help very, very well. They do help out, because it will limit you, or it will stop you from repeating the same mistakes that your mentor had experienced, or had overcome in the past. Lots of us mentors had lots of challenges, this and that. So why you are signing up for a course is because you want to avoid some mistakes in the forex market, and that's why you want a mentor to mentor you, to show you what you are supposed to be doing, the right path to go and stuff like that. So if you can sign up for some courses, it must not be my course, guys. I'm not the only profitable trader right here out there in the world or whatever, and I'm not the famous forex trader out there. So all I'm saying is, you can just sign up to whosoever course that you want to sign up for. Be it me, be it another person, be it this, be it that, be it A, be it B, be it C. Go and sign up, man. Sign up anywhere you are interested in. But be careful of how you choose your mentor. Some of the mentors out there are not legitimate mentors, and they don't actually trade and all of these things. So be careful on how you choose your mentors and stuff like that. So today is just more of analysis, motivation. I want to motivate you guys to do what we are doing, because right now, man, I started with nothing, like nothing. I struggled. 2017 was like hellfire, it was like hell on earth. You know what I mean? It was like hell on earth. So dealt with so many challenges. Setbacks was there, like lots of challenges, guys. So I'm just trying to do my best to see how you can avoid all of these things, so that you can avoid them. Very, very important, right? Very important. So yeah, nothing for me to waste my time doing Nasdaq analysis. So Nasdaq is going to follow what US30 is doing, guys. It's going to follow that. But let me just do the analysis, so that you can understand what is going to happen on Nasdaq as well, or Nas 100. Yeah. So this is the support and resistance that I put. So I'm going to delete this one, because this one I plotted this since April. Yeah, is it April? Now since March. So this is invalid. It's not valid anymore. So I'm going to delete that. So this is where we are going to focus on, guys. This part, that's what we are going to wake up on. Focused on this part right here. So this part right here, we're going to focus on it. So let's go down to our 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame now. You can see there's nothing much that I'm going to be adjusting on my 4-hour time frame, but this particular support is in need of adjustment, somewhere like this. Yeah, so you can see that. So on this 4-hour time frame now, is there anything that I'm supposed to mark out? You can see I'm supposed to do something like this. just mark out this my level. And which one? Nah. Okay, there's another level here, guys. I just spotted that out. Also, you have to learn how to plot support and resistance, guys, if you don't know how to do that. I'm not just randomly selecting all of these things. I'm not just randomly putting them. So I know the levels and stuff like that, because this is what I do for a living, guys. I don't do nothing. I do Forex fund me, Forex pay my bill, Forex feed me, feed my family, everything. Forex does it for me, guys. Forex is the way to go, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, I'm just trying to put the support and resistance and things like that, so that you know, we can know what is supposed to be done and stuff like that. All right, guys. So you can see same thing like I said earlier on. It's just, you know, the same thing, because US 30 and Nasdaq, they positively correlate. So US 30 and US 30, S&P, which is S&P 500, Nasdaq, they positively correlate, guys. They are positively correlated. That's the correlation. That's the correlation, guys. So they are going to be buying. Next week, I'm supposed, you know, these particular pairs, they are supposed to be buying next week, but it will come down for a retracement to give us that high low move, after which they will look out for some sort of candlestick confirmations to go back up to the upside. You don't just buy the market as soon as it reaches this level. Nah, don't blindly buy it right here. There must be some sort of confirmations that you're supposed to wait for before you now buy the market to ride it all the way to where you see this my daily time frame resistance zone is, which is around price 16607.9. That's the price. Then where I'm expecting the retracement to finish is 16039.3. 16039.3. That's where I'm expecting the retracement to finish before it starts to buy to the upside. You see that? So is there any question regarding this NAS 100 before we proceed, guys? Is there any question about it? Who is the person that asked about that? Katif Wu, are you still here? You can ask if you have any question. You can ask if you have any question before we proceed. Any question, guys? I'm trying to wait. Okay, maybe it's not around, something like that. So we're supposed to do 1 hour right here on this weekly analysis, guys, and stuff like that. So we got about 28 minutes left. So let's go down and check some currency pair. Oh, no. Treasure, are you still here? You ask about volatility 75. Are you still here? So that we can just check a V75 before I proceed. Before I proceed, is there are you still around, rather? Are you still around? So we can check volatility 75. Are you still around? Okay, this was the analysis I did some month ago or so. I don't know when last I did this. Let me clear it. Remove all drawing. Yep. So this is V75 and this is 4-hour time frame. I like to do 4-hour time frame analysis and everything on V75. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. And what I'm seeing on V75. But before that, let me not be wasting my time. Treasure, are you still here? Okay, yeah. He's still here. All right. Let's go down and check the V75. So V75 lately has been ranging, guys. It has been ranging. So let me mark out the ranging zone. This is where V75 has been ranging in. So this is a ranging structure now. V75 has been ranging within this area. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plot my support and resistance on this 4-hour time frame. Remember, this is volatility 75 and V75, guys. Just, what you need is to respect all of these support and resistance very well. To respect this very, very well, guys. So you can see, just trying to like plot all of these things so that you can understand what I'm saying. Though V75, if you are putting support and resistance, it used to be much because it used to respect these guys. So now what I'm saying is, if V75 eventually break out of this structure, which is around price 906133.35, so once it breaks out of that price, it's gonna go back up to the upside to this point. So this is the next resistance zone I'm seeing on volatility 75. I don't know if you guys are seeing the same thing, but that's what I'm seeing on V75. So right now, let me go down to 1-hour time frame to see what exactly is happening on that 1 hour. Let me just come to 1-hour time frame, guys. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening on this 1-hour time frame. So this is 1-hour time frame, guys. So you can see the market has been ranging within this area, right? You can see boom, 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 ranging. So this is a ranging market right now. So what I'm going to be expecting is, I will expect this V75 right now to come down like this before it will now push back up. But before you consider it as it will push back up like this, it has to break out of this zone. This zone here, you have to wait for it to break out of it. So wait for V75 to break out of this zone, guys. Where across this, it has to break out of it before to continue to push back up to the upside. So you can buy it whenever time the V75 come down for this to this level or around price 812384.11. Then buy it to the upside, or when it breaks out of this, you can continue to buy it. But I would rather buy it when it comes down to this point so that I can take advantage of the whole move than me waiting for it to break out of this. Excuse me. Waiting for it to break out of this and continue to go back up to the upside. So what exactly I'm expecting now V75 is to come down for this retracement before it's now going to continue to push back up to the upside. That's what I'm seeing on volatility 75. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. That's just it about volatility 75. So yeah, Treasure, do you have any question? Do you have any question on volatility 75 analysis before we proceed? Any question? Any question before we proceed? Before we proceed, so that we can know where to tackle and all of these things. If you have any question, just let me know. Just let me know before we continue. All right, seems Treasure is not here anymore. Anyway, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. All right, let's go back down now to our fundamentals before we proceed to check some currency pairs and all of these things. It is very, very important, guys. All right. Okay, so it is a time for us to continue on this analysis. All right, so before that, guys, please, if today is the first time here, I don't know what you are waiting for. You have to click on that red subscribe button below, subscribe, and like this video, share with your friends and the family, and most importantly as well, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram handle. Follow us on all our social media handles: Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and also excuse me, and also YouTube channel. That's just it. Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. I think those are the only channels that I'm on. So of course, I'm not a fan of TikTok. I'm not a fan of Snapchat and all of these things. Nah, I'm not a fan of that. And also, we have a Facebook channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. You can do that, guys. You can do that right now. All right. Thank you for the support and everything. So that's just it. That's just it, man. All right. So Treasure is saying no more questions. Thanks. Yeah, my pleasure. My pleasure. You're welcome. All right, guys. So let's go, man. Let's go. Like I was saying, I say that tomorrow we have lots of bank holiday. So it is not recommendable for you to trade tomorrow, guys. Even if the market opens, not recommendable, because whenever time you are having a bank holiday, definitely the market doesn't move. It doesn't move. So it is better for you not even to trade at all than for you to lose money in the forex market. So that's why it is very important for you to check your fundamental analysis as well, to check if banks are still open and all of these things, because it is very, very important based on the fact that the market also at times moves according to the fundamentals. Despite the fact that it moves, when you do your sentimental analysis too, it do help out a lot, but not as much as um not as much as fundamentals. So right now this is another one. We still have some fundamentals and stuff like that. But USD, we don't have so much fundamentals on USD pair, so we might see. Despite the fact that it's low, but we might see some sort of moves. This bill auction, it does move the market as well. But the market is not gonna move that much tomorrow, guys. So let's see. It depends on the outcome anyway. But you can see there are low, medium, and stuff like that. So now on Tuesday we are gonna be having. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me zoom in so that you guys can be flowing along the way, right? So you can see on Tuesday we are going to be seeing a Boxing Day, which is AUD NZD, then Boxing Day for GBP2. So Euro retail sales, nah, these ones, they don't move the market, guys. Then we now have Red Book, some big. Okay, yeah, this one might move the market too. Index. Yeah, bill auction. Yeah, not auction rather. There's bill auction. There's not auction. So yeah, this one too might move the market, guys. So this one is gonna be, yep, still on Tuesday. So they might move the market too. And yep. Even on Wednesday, the market may move. All right. So whatever happens, rather, I will try my best as much as I can to update you guys on whatever that is going on fundamentally, right? That's going to be fundamental analysis. I'm going to do that myself, right? So let's go down and check, starting with the AUD pairs. We are going to start the analysis with AUD pairs since we got some few minutes left in order for us to finish this live stream. I have lots of things coming up, guys. I'll do a Zoom call with my premium students. So I have a Zoom call with them scheduled to start by 1 hour before the market opens and stuff like that. But I might just decide to do it at any moment from now, because I might be busy later on, so and stuff like that. So right now I will go and do prepare for the premium Zoom call and stuff like that. And of course, if you're not yet in our premium membership, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can just join us. Right now we are on discount. If you go down to our Telegram channel, let me just show you guys. And of course, that's why I say if you're not yet on our free Telegram channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. You have to do that, right? You have to do that right now. So you can see on the Telegram channel, we are offering a 50%, 200 off. Merry Christmas. 200 off right now, guys. So this is the right time for you to join with only $150. With 150 bucks, you are ready to join our premium membership. It is for a lifetime. You can see, make payment and have instant access. Once you make your payment, have instant access to it, right? So it is a lifetime mentorship, guys. You see me, teaching you on Zoom and all of these things. So it is a lifetime mentorship. You can take advantage of that right now. You just message me on Telegram, message me on Instagram, message me on Facebook. Anywhere you message me, I'm active. I will show you and teach you how to do how to trade in the forex market profitably. So that's just it, guys. Let's go back down to business, right? And of course, if you have any question about it, you can just let me know in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, how do I join, how is this, how is that, blah blah blah, so I can just answer your question as much as I can. So let's go down and start with AUD pairs. So this is what we refer as AUD card, and AUD card right now is trying to tell me that it's trending to the upside, right? But let me go down to the daily time frame. So you see what I'm seeing on daily time frame right now. Daily time frame is trying to tell me that, hey Israel, I'm gonna go to the downside any moment from now because of the trend line. You see that? You see this trend line? It's trying to tell me that, hey Israel, I'm ready, man. I'm just ready to go to the downside. What are you waiting for to sell me? That's just what I'm saying. So this is going to be a very, 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 very good swing trading. This is going to be a very good swing opportunity. Swing opportunity for almost for 280 pips. 280 pips, guys, is not a joke. 280 pips is not a joke, And of course, I do take it. Not that I don't take it whatsoever. So I'll just continue to monitor this and see if the market is going to continue to give me what I want from it, right? Very, very important. So what I'm gonna do is I'll put this like this and extend this to this point and set my take profit, stop loss, boom, and stuff like that. But right now, let's not do that because we are just doing analysis, right? We are just doing analysis. So you guys should follow what I'm doing so that you can know how to do a analysis for swing trading, right? Swing trading is very, very interesting if you know what you are doing, guys. So I'm gonna go with this as my resistance zone with this level, and of course I will still put another one up there. So let's just see what is happening here. You see that? Another support zone. You see here again, another support area. So I'm done with support and resistance on this daily time frame. You can see that. But I have something interesting, this very zone here, right here. I kind of like it, guys. But let's go down to 4-hour time frame. You can see on 4-hour time frame, the market is trying to tell me that, hey Israel, I'm creating this channel moving to the upside, right? I'm creating this channel moving to the upside, but on bigger time frame, it is just a retracement, right? So as a swing trader, what are you supposed to be doing? As a swing trader, if you call yourself a swing trader, what are you supposed to be doing right here, guys? Like me personally, I could have just said, okay, see, this is what is happening, let me put something like this, right? This dot line that I put, meaning that, okay, I will still put another dot line here again. Then after that, see what I'm supposed to be expecting, guys. I'm supposed to expect a break out of this channel. Once it breaks out of it, I will expect the market to come down here before it's now going to go back up for what we refer as a retracement again, right? So this one now, I can now sell it right here. Right here, I can now sell the market, to push it, to go down to the downside. Then this is where my final take profit is going to be. Am I right? Because right now, the market will give us a breakout and retest. There's something we call breakout and retest as well, guys. So if you know how to trade market pattern, we have market structure, we have market pattern, we have candlestick patterns and stuff like that. So market structure is the one that we have uptrending, downtrending, and ranging market. So those are the three type of market structures. Then we have market patterns. We have head and shoulder. We have invalid head and shoulder. We have a breakout. We have ascending wedge. We have descending wedge. You have, different type of market patterns out there. So this one is gonna act as a breakout structure or breakout strategy. So we will not combine it with our candlestick patterns and also the market structure, because this is a change in the market. So this is almost of this is more of like trend reversal. So this is going to be a trend reversal, then it's going to continue to go down to the downside. So it is very important for us to keep an eye on all of these things, guys. Very important. So this is AUD card that I'm doing the analysis right now, right? So let me check the time. We have 10 minutes more, guys. 10 minutes more, right? So excuse me. So I'm supposed to sell the market from where it is right here, then push it down to the downside for how many pips is this gonna be? Let me check it out. So it's gonna be somewhere sorry, it's gonna be somewhere around here. Then take profit 250 pips. Yeah, 250 pips is not bad. Risking how many pips? We're gonna risk around 60 pips. Yeah, we're gonna risk around 60 pips, because if the market eventually break out of this previous zone, that means the market is changing structure and is no more going to go down to the downside, right? So we're gonna take about 250 pips on this. Oh my goodness, if the market open, guys, definitely I'll be watching this AUD card. I'll be watching AUD card and see what exactly is gonna happen on it, because I'm seeing this as very interesting. I'm seeing something very interesting on it. All right, so the next thing that I'm supposed to do, or if you have any question about this analysis, you can just ask me right now. Then let's go down and check AUD/USD. So yeah, and another thing, guys, you guys should you guys can still remember when I sent a buy signal on AUD/USD, right? I sent AUD/USD, Euro/USD, USD card. So let me check this AUD/USD now. It has hit my final take profit, with 100 pips, right? Then let's go down to Euro/USD. I showed it to you guys as well. Euro/USD. Now this is Euro GBP. Euro/USD. Where are you, man? Yep, this is Euro/USD. You can see Euro/USD. It's still moving around and stuff like that, but it did not hit my final take profit. But it later go up for like 70 pips. The final take profit is 80 pips. So we were like 10 pips away from hitting final take profit. But it is what it is. We secure some profit. First take profit triggered, second take profit triggered. So now I have my remaining position at break even. I set my stop loss at break even. So whatever happens, I'm ready for that, man. I'm ready for that on Euro/USD. Then I shared USD card as well. USD card, something like that. Yep, you can see USD card. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. 140 pips. Stop playing with ITT, bro. Come on, man. We aren't playing here. See, and what I just want to tell you is that it's not every time that I actually win like this. I do encounter some losses as well. Just that I did not see any loss this last week. So that's why I did not even show you any losing trade or whatsoever. But if I have a loss, I do share it with you guys, saying that okay, this one so this one hit stop loss and stuff like that. Like USD/CHF, you remember what USD/CHF did the other time? Let me show it to you. You can see USD/CHF. I sold USD/CHF the other time. I think last 2 weeks ago, something like that. You can see as I sold it, the market went up and hit my stop loss. So this is just fundamentals, and this is just market makers trying to just get you out of your position, and boom, before it moves in your direction. You can see it, guys. After my stop loss was triggered, now you see where the market is going. How many pips is it now in profit? How many pips? Is now about 63 pips in profit. Stop kidding me, man. So this is a market makers movement. This is their stop loss hunt, So, but so far you are a real trader, you must encounter some losses in the market. You don't tell me you are just 100% winning and all of these things. I don't believe that. I lose a trade myself. Like I do lose a trade. So don't just carry it out by saying, okay, I win a trade, I don't lose, 100% win rate. Mine is not 100% win rate. I range between around 75 to 80%. 75 to 80% win rate. That's my win rate. If you're okay with it, you join us. If you're not okay, that's it, man. That's it. I'm cool with how much I make every day, day in, day out in the forex market. I'm okay with that. Even if I'm making $1, $2, it depends on how okay I am with it, right? And I'm okay with how much I'm making right now. Not for me to be saying I'm making millions of dollars, 100,000 in a day, 30,000, 50,000. Come on, man. I don't make 50,000 in a day. I don't make it. Even 5K, if I make a 5K, it is a swing trade. So don't expect it to be just in one day. It is not one day, bro. I just closed it in one day, but I did not took that trade in that particular day. I took that trade maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago, whatsoever. It depends on the swing trade that I'm in. So if I make $5,000, does not mean that I'm just making that 5,000 in one day. Nah, that's not it, man. It might be 5,000 in 5 days of me holding my trade. So it might be 5,000 in 2 weeks of me holding my trade. I'm a swing trader. I'm not a scalper. So I don't make no money in just one day or whatsoever. Any trade I close is not a one day trade. It's not some hours or few hours trade or few minutes trade. It is some days trade or weeks trade. So that's a swing trading. A swing trader actually held his position, his or her position rather, hold his or her position for some weeks or for some days. Right? I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I'm just trying to like let you know how to make it in the forex market, and to differentiate between swing traders and scalpers. So don't just expect me if I send maybe a screenshot of my earnings, 5,000, 10,000 or whatever. Cut it. Cut the mindset of saying, okay, Israel made this money in one day. I did not make it in one day, bro. I make that money maybe in 1 week of me holding my trade. You see that? So don't just think of saying, okay, Israel, you made this much money in one day. That means every month you make like $200,000, $300,000 and stuff like that. I don't make $300,000 in a month, guys. I don't make that. So that's just me. I'm okay to say whatever I'm saying. So far I know that that's what I do. I say it, bro. I say it. Because that's just me, and that's the reality of what is happening. So if you're a swing trader, you don't just close a trade after you take it in some hours or whatsoever. You hold your trade. Either stop loss hit or take profit hit. One must happen. Either stop loss hit or take profit hit. One must happen, man. One must happen. So that's just me. So I'm okay with, like, I don't know, like me right now. I'm okay. Like, I'm okay, man. Oh my goodness. See, when you are happy in life, you are happy. Huh? When you are happy, you are happy. Be okay with how much you are. Start where you are right now. Like, start where you are right now, guys. That's just it. Like, whenever time I meet people, whenever time they meet me to try to ask, Israel, how did you achieve all of this? How did you do this? How did you? Come on, man. I do tell them, start where you are right now. Start where you are. Be okay with what you have right now. That's just the reality, guys. That's just the reality. Success is not overnight. Success takes time. Building you, recreating your mindset in order for you to manage that success. Being successful doesn't mean that you are successful forever if your mindset is not being recreated in order for you to manage that success. Remember, maybe before you become successful or before you become rich, you were maybe you were poor, something like that. So God will have to recreate your mindset on how you can manage that success. You might have a $10,000 account, but if you don't trade with a very good risk management, and if you don't know how to manage your account, you might blow up that money the next day. You might be fortunate enough today to make profit, but tomorrow you might end up blowing that account based on the fact that risk management is not there. You don't know what you are doing, and that's just it. You don't know how much you are going to be losing on each trade that you are getting in. That means you are trading blindly. So it is very, very important for you guys to trade with a very good risk management. So I'm okay, like I'm just advising you guys on what you are supposed to be doing whenever time you're trying to get into any trade in the forex market. Do that, guys. So with that being said, our time is up, guys. I said we're going to be spending 1 hour here, and now successfully we spent 1 hour. So I want to wish each and every one of you that joined us today a thanks and appreciation. So just thank you, man. Thank you for joining. So yeah, I want to give like 2 minutes. If you guys have any question, just send it in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. If you have any question, guys, just send it right now. I will be glad to answer your question so that we can end up today's live analysis, motivation, or whatsoever you call it. So it is what it is. I'm Israel the Trader, and I'm about to sign out. Get in with your questions right now. So once I sign out, no more questions, man. No more questions. So yeah, it is what it is, man. I like to maybe have more hours with you guys, but I don't have no time. I don't have no time. I have lots of things doing, so I'm about to go out and face another thing, guys. It is necessary. So, I think nobody got any question for me. All right, guys. So once more again, thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow before London market opens, or next tomorrow. Any time is it? Because you know that right now, as at the moment, we don't have any time schedule, like time of when we are going live and all of these things. So maybe 2022, ending of 2022, mid or whatever, we have to reschedule everything and know exactly when we are doing one or two things and stuff like that, guys. So, all right. With that being said, I'm signing out. Thank you very much once more again. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, man. Because 2022 is gonna be huge. Donald Trump said it. Donald Trump said it's gonna be huge. So it's gonna be huge, guys. All right. So let's get it. Don't miss out, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, like this video, share with your friends and family. Most importantly, follow us on our Telegram channel, guys. That's where I share everything. Like I share them, trading, profit, updates about trade and everything. This is where it's happening. It happens right here. It happens right here. So I share everything here, guys. I share everything. My profit, trade updates, everything, analysis, everything. I share it here. So we created a Discord chat, but that's for premium students, not for free members, right? So that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time, guys. And I'm signing out. Israel the Trader. I'm out, man. Peace out. Regards to the family. Yeah, man.